There's something quietly captivating about this home, a harmony of color, light, and thoughtful design that makes every corner feel alive. Step inside and let's explore how beauty unfolds from one room to another. The journey begins in the entryway, calm, composed, and effortlessly chic. Muted pink cabinetry greets you with a soft elegance, paired with warm light and classic molding details. It's the kind of welcome that feels both graceful and personal, a hint of what's to come beyond the door. Moving forward, the home opens into a living room bathed in natural light. Blue built-ins line the walls, creating a bold yet serene statement. Here, color becomes character, wrapping the space with warmth and depth. The mix of modern lighting and cozy textiles creates a perfect balance between sophistication and ease, a room meant for lingering. Tucked beside the living space, a reading nook continues the conversation in soft blues and neutrals. It's intimate, quiet, and deeply personal, a space where time slows and creativity takes over. The design whispers rather than shouts, reminding us that beauty often lies in restraint. As you step into the bedroom, the palette shifts. Blue gives way to soothing greens and airy whites. Sunlight dances across soft drapery, casting gentle shadows on parquet floors. The atmosphere is calm, almost poetic, a space that invites stillness after a long day. The minimalist furniture and crisp blinds bring a sense of balance, where simplicity becomes luxury. Finally, the heart of the home, a bright kitchen that celebrates everyday life. White cabinetry and subtle marble surfaces make the room glow with morning light. The open layout flows naturally into the dining area, where warmth and laughter feel inevitable. Every element, from the curved wooden chairs to the pops of yellow on the shelves, adds joy and liveliness to the space. From the soft blush of the entryway to the gentle greens of the bedroom and the bright whites of the kitchen, this home tells a story of color and calm, of elegance that feels lived in. It's a reminder that great design isn't just about how a home looks, but how it makes you feel.